This Christmas jelly cake with a wreath inside of it is so gorgeous. First, we're going to start with a clear canvas. This is the base of the cake. It's made of high quality flavored jelly. And we're going to start making flowers inside of it. We're using all kinds of specialized needles in different sizes. We're also using syringes to create the different flowers. We're stacking up the petals to create this 3D design, all inside the jelly. The flowers inside are made of milk, sugar, and gelatin. Obviously, everything is flavored too. Keep digging inside the jelly. Obviously, you can use any kind of colors that you want and all the flavorings that you want too. Keep twisting the jelly. It'll be easier to go around for the pine cones. And keep adding to your design. We're going to add green leaves. Again, using special tools. And as many details as you can. Little pine needles as well. Go all around. And after creating the design, there's different variations to choose from for the base. Jelly combined with cheesecake, choco mousse, or milky jelly. Have fun creating your own. These are absolutely gorgeous and so yummy.